We're here today at the Gravity Show to find the next Hot Wheels diecast car.
There were hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of entries. We whittled it down to these three behind me.
And we're going to pick a winner, and that winner goes through to our grand final.
And then that winner will become a Hot Wheels car.
We're going to be looking for creativity, authenticity and garage spirit, trying to pick that build that really shouts Hot Wheels to us. Our winner is the Mini M3NTLEY. You could tell the creativity that's been involved, embodies that Hot Wheels spirit. We just loved the fun.
The objective was to make the car look like a 1927 Bentley, but look like a Mini. We painted it ourselves, we wired it ourselves, and we use it. I couldn't believe it when they announced that the M3NTLEY had won the competition. Gary and I are absolutely made up.